Yes, it's boom and crash for beginners 2020. The 200 pip strategy. This is where we show you how we were able to move from $2,000 in our first month to $100,000 in less than a year. Strap in. We're back and we're trying this strategy out on Crash 1000 so y'all can see it's profitable. All right. And the strategy is quite simple. There are 5 lines. All right. The pink line must cross all the other lines, either going downwards or upwards in this particular order. The pink must first cross the blue, then cross the 2 gray, then cross the red. So if it crosses all of them like that going downwards, that's a sell. If it crosses all of them like that coming upwards, that's a buy. To make it easier, I have added colored text to all the trades. So the trades that made 200 pips have a yellow text at the entry point. The trade that did not make up to 100 pips, those are trades that made a loss. They have a red text there. And then the trades that made up to 100 pips but not up to 200 pips have a white text there. Let's jump in. So we can see our first trade here made a loss. So yeah, rough start, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to be counting the profitable trades, and I'm going to draw them out for you to see the number of pips that was made. All right, number of pips made, you will see it out. But for the losses, I guess I can just point those ones out. All right, so we have our first loss here. Okay, so yes, that's fine. So 1 loss. Let's keep going, and then we have profit here. So let's draw this up. That's 260 pips, so we're good to go, right? So the more obvious ones, I would probably not draw them out. All right, the more obvious trades that clearly would definitely have made up to 200 pips, I might not bother drawing those ones out because they're obvious. But the ones that need me to clarify and show you that it actually made 200 pips, I will draw those ones out. Okay, so let's keep going. So we're 1 for 1, one loss, 1 profit. Okay, let's keep going. Now this clearly definitely is 200 pips. So that's 2 profits, 1 loss. 2 profits, 1 loss. Let's keep going. 2 profits, 1 loss. All right, now we can see another entry here. All right, another entry here. So 2 profits, 1 loss. And I guess, yes, you can see it went all the way up. So that's definitely 200 pips. So that's 3 profits, 1 loss. All right, now we have a loss here. Yeah, we have a loss here. So that's 3 profits, 2 losses. All right, 3 profits, 2 losses. We have another loss here. 3 profits, 3 losses. We're now 3 for 3. All right, 3 profits, 3 losses. Let's keep going. 3 profits, 3 losses. Okay. Okay, that's a white. We ignore that. 4 profits, 3 losses clearly came all the way down. Let's keep going. All right, 5 profits, 3 losses. This is the entry here. Went up all the way. 5 profits, 3 losses. All right, this came all the way down. 6 profits, 3 losses. It came all the way down. 6 profits, 3 losses. All right, let's keep going. And then we have this one clearly, definitely here. All right, now at 7 profits, 3 losses. This came all the way down. 7 profits, 3 losses. It came all the way down here. All right, that's a white one there, we ignore. And then we have another one here, and it came down. So I should measure this one for you. We're currently at 7 profits, 3 losses. 7 profits, 3 losses. So let's just draw this out, and we can see 292 pips there. Yes, so now we're at 8 profits, 3 losses. 8 profits, 3 losses. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. We're at 8 profits, 3 losses. And this, I don't even need to measure this. You can see it clearly went all the way up. All right, so we're now at 9 profits, 3 losses. It went all the way up. All right. Okay, this I have to measure for you guys. It looks a little bit small. We're currently at 9 profits, 3 losses. Let's check this out. How many pips? That's 3. That's over 300. All right. So yeah, made profit. So that's 10 profits, 3 losses. 10 profits, 3 losses. And there's another entry here. You can see it went all the way up. All right, so 11 profits, 3 losses. 11 profits, 3 losses. It went all the way up. this I should measure. We're currently at 11 profits, 3 losses. I keep saying it so I don't forget. 11 profits, 3 losses. And let's check this out. That's over 290 pips. So we're at 12 profits, 3 losses. All right, 12 profits, 3 losses. Yep, 12 profits, 3 losses. All right, we have an entry here. All right, I should measure this. 12 profits, 3 losses. I should measure this. 12 profits, 3 losses. So let's see. Yep, we're at 230 pips. So 13 profits, 3 losses. And then we have a white here. All right, now we have another one here. This one definitely, yeah, this made profit, definitely above 200. So 14 profits, 3 losses. Let's keep going. Oh, this I should measure for you guys. We have 14 profits, 3 losses. This I should measure. I should measure this one. Let's check that out. 14 profits, 3 losses. Let's see. Oh, I think I didn't start at the right place there because that wasn't looking like 200, but I know I measured it before to be 200. So, okay. Yep, it must be right. All right, so you can see, if you look in closely, you can see that's 201 pips. All right, 201 pips. Yep, so 15 profits, 3 losses. All right, that was a close one. 15 profits, 3 losses. All right. Okay. Next, yep, we have another entry here. Clearly made 200 pips. Clearly made 200 pips. All right. So now 16 profits, 3 losses. 16 profits, 3 losses. Let's keep going. And this one came down. What? 16 profits, 3 losses. Let me check this one out for you guys. 16 profits, 3 losses. All right. And yes, I'm seeing 366. Yeah. So we're now at 17 profits, 3 losses. 17 profits, 3 losses. And then look at this beautiful trade all the way down. 18 profits, 3 losses. You can see it. 18 profits, 3 losses. And then we have this one clearly made. Let me check that one for you guys. What? 18 profits, 3 losses, right? 18 profits, 3 losses. All right, so let's see. 18 profits, 3 losses. That's 500 pips. So yeah, we're now at 19 profits, 3 losses. All right, we ignore this white. We're at 19 profits, 3 losses. All right, so this one here, I have to check it out for you guys. It seems a bit small. We're at 19 profits, 3 losses. All right, so let's go all the way, and we can see that's 300 pips. All right. All right, so at 20 profits, 3 losses, and now we have another loss number 4. All right, well, 20 profits, 4 losses. 20 profits, 4 losses. All right, and then we have this beautiful one here, definitely more than 200 pips. Well, 20 profits, 3 losses. 20 profits, 3 losses. All right, and that's over 400 pips. 20 profits, so now we're at 21 profits, 3 losses, and then we ignore this white one over here. All right, and okay, 21 profits, 4 losses, rather 21 profits, 4 losses. Sorry, 21 profits, 4 losses. All right, so let's check this one out. It looks small. What? 21 profits, 4 losses. All right, and let's see. Yeah, that's over 230 pips. So at 22 losses, 22 profits, 4 losses. 22 profits, 4 losses. There's a white one here that we ignore, and this is our 5th loss. 22 profits, 5 losses. 22 profits, 5 losses. All right, and then this beautiful trade all the way up over here has 23 profits, 5 losses. 23 profits, 5 losses. This means 23 trades made 200 pips each. That's a total of 4,600 pips. All right. Now the losses, remember, we never risk up to 200 pips because that's our profit target. But just for the sake of this video, even if we had risked 200 pips, we made 5 losses. That's at 200 pips each. That's 1,000 pips lost. The net profit is 4,600 minus 1,000. That's 3,600 pips profit. Okay, accuracy rate of 82%. Accuracy of 82%. This was exactly how we got the figures for the other two markets. Crash 500 that made over 3,000 pips too, and Boom 1000 that made over 4,000 pips, coming together to make a total of 10,000 pips over a space of 10 months. And we did also say that that is equivalent to 1,000 pips per month. If you would like to just jump straight to the analysis of all the results and see how we got the total of 10,000 pips, which by compounding was $100,000 in 1 year, then watch our results video. The link is also in the description down there. Remember, the cost of the strategy is $300. Now, if you have watched our results video, you would know that you actually should make up to more than 10 times that amount in your first 2 months. Okay? To get access to this strategy, join our Telegram group at FX Scams Unveiled. You can see the link in the description. You'll be contacted to make your payment immediately, after which you have a live consultation to set up the strategy and be sure you totally understand it, even if you're a new trader. Then you will be added to the private Telegram group where we're all taking trades using this exact same strategy, and you would also be added to the bonus Forex signal testing, VIP signal testing group. Take care. Peace.